Do you know you could totally transform your home without spending a fortune or even owning a fancy workshop? You don't need to be an expert. You don't need a garage full of tools. You just need a weekend and a little bit of wood. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to Decor Idea channel. Today I'm going to show you the easiest, most budget-friendly DIY projects that will make your home look like it belongs in a magazine, and this video is going to change your mind. Every project on this list is beginner-friendly, wallet-friendly, and does not require years of experience. They are practical ideas you can adapt to your space, your budget, and your skill level. Grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's talk about the projects that give you the biggest wow for the least amount of effort. How to keep these projects budget friendly? One of the easiest ways to save money is to design around the materials you already have. Look at suitable offcuts, leftover boards, and reclaimed timber, but don't use damaged or unsafe wood safely, simply because it's free. Keep materials that are appropriate for the project. Keep your design simple. Complicated designs often require more material, more time, and more opportunity for mistakes. Focus on useful projects that solve real problems. And don't forget that good finishes can make an in, and don't forget that good finishes can make an expensive project look much more refined. Design for your actual home. Before starting any project, look around your home. Where is there waste space? Where do things always become clutter? Which piece of furniture is missing? These questions can give you better project ideas than simply copying something you saw online. Build for the home you actually live in. So, let's look at some projects that can make your home more functional without making your wallet much lighter. Floating shelves. Probably the easiest way to instantly upgrade any room. Great for books, plants, photos, or just showing off your favorite little things. All you really need is a few boards, some brackets, and about an hour of your time. A simple wooden side table, a perfect first real project if you want something you will actually use every day. No complicated shapes, just clean lines and a sturdy little table next to your couch or bed. A great excuse to try a fun paint color or a natural wooden look. Upcycled furniture makeover. This one's less about building and more about transforming. Old dresser, the three-pied nightstand, the curbside find. Give it a new life with a fresh coat of paint or stain. Budget friendly because they are working with something you already have or got for next to nothing. Such a satisfying before and after moment. A rustic wall mount coat rack, perfect for every entryway, and honestly such a mood booster every time you walk in the door. Just a blank of wood and a few hooks, that's it. Feel custom made, even though it makes almost no time at all. Wooden shoe rack. Shoe racks quickly make an entire entryway look messy. A simple wooden shoe rack gives everything a distinctive place. You can build a narrow version for a simple hallway or a wider one for a busy family home. Keep the design simple and sturdy. The goal is to create useful storage without taking up unnecessary space. Wooden storage carts. Storage does not have to be boring. Simple wooden carts can become attractive storage for blankets, toys, books, tools, or household items. You can leave the wood natural for a rustic appearance or give it a finish that match your room. Stack several together and you can create a flexible storage system. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's project? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me which countryside you are watching us from. If you love decor and woodworking, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your DIY loving friends and family, and let's inspire more people to create beautiful space with their hands. Simple dining bench. A basic wooden bench can provide extra seating around a dining table. It can also work in an entryway or covered outside area when built from appropriate materials. Keep the design sturdy, comfortable, and simple. A cozy window bench or plant stand instantly makes any room feel more like a home. Great little weekend project that adds both function and charm. Perfect spot for your morning coffee or your growing plant collection. Simple bathroom shelf. A simple wood shelf can provide useful bathroom storage. Use it for towels, toiletries, plants, or decorative items because bathroom can be humid. Choose materials and finish that are appropriate for the environment. Simple picture lidded gallery wall. Way easy and way more flexible than hanging a bunch of individual frames. Just a few wooden ladder let you wrap out photo and art anytime you feel like a fresh. Look intentional and stylish without any of the stress. A DIY headboard. One of those projects that makes a room feel finished. You don't need any complicated, just a simple wood panel can completely change the vibe of your bedroom. Way more affordable than buying one, and so much more personal. Outdoor planter box. If you have gotten a porch, patio, or even just a sunny window side, this one's for you. Super forgiving project. Great for beginners and instantly makes your outdoor space feel cared for. Bonus points if you fill them with something you can actually eat, like herb or veggies. Mini palette project. Palettes are basically free wood just waiting for a purpose. Perfect for small furniture, wall art, even simple garden trails. The unfortunate budget hack for anyone just getting started. A custom key or mail station. A small project, huge impact on your daily routine. No more lose your key or your mail piling up on the counter. A great way to add a little personality right by your front door. Wooden pet feeding station. If you have a pet, a simple wooden feeding station can keep food and water bowl organized. Create a sturdy base that keeps the bowl in place. Make sure all surface and finished are suitable for the intended use and easy to clean. In the end, you truly don't need a big budget or fancy tool to make your home feel special. Start small, a shelf, a coat rack, a little side table, and build your confidence from there. Every single one of these projects is proof that handmade does not mean hard. The best thing about DIY woodworking is that you don't have to start with a huge budget. Start with one shelf, one organizer, one small table, one simple piece of furniture. Learn from it, improve your skill, and then move on to something bigger. You may be surprised by how much you can create with a few pieces of wood and a simple idea. And remember, Small budget does not mean you have to settle for a boring home. With creativity, patience, and thoughtful design, ordinary materials can become useful pieces that can make your home feel more personal. So, before you buy your next piece of furniture, look around your workshop and ask yourself, could I make this myself? If the answer is yes, that could be your next project. If this give you if this video give you some inspiration, do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe and turn off notifications so that you never miss a project. Let me know in the comment section which one you are trying first. Do generally love to see your creation. Until next time, grab some wood, get creative, and start building the home you have been dreaming of. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.